Hey guys, this was kind of like really funny because my friend Aspen is with me, and she just like left to go pee and opened the door. My dad was there, and like opened my bedroom door to go leave. My dad was like right there, and he walked past her and like said boo and scared the really like freaking living crap out of her, and she almost like died. I almost died of laughter. We tried to do something, but it really didn't work, and we're like making videos, and we went through three of these already, like each, and they're fucking Jesus. They're like, it's not because you try and do the challenge, and like the challenge just decides to not work with you, so I almost threw up twice. And we also had like a whole bunch of sour candies, but they're almost gone now, so kind of missed out on some of that. Yeah, and then hopefully she'll hurry up. No, but she did something to my monkey. Monkey, where you at? Where you at? What are you doing? What she did to my monkey? Yep, she made the tail look like a wing. But Aspen! What? Oh, dinosaur! I'm like so retarded. Come on, you idiot! Jesus! I'm like sitting here talking about what they missed out on because we already did what we did. Oh. Yeah, sit right here. Jesus, you're almost. Oh.
No, I'm not.
You're like, you're almost sitting on the candy. Ah!
Are you ready?
I don't know. We can't like ruin these. We have to keep.
After we put it on our mouth.
Oh Jesus!
Oops. You got some sour candy monster.
Monster.
Okay.
Alright, start. Okay. Is pickles. Oh my god! Right. And monster is just crap now.
No, it tastes like dirt.
It tastes like dirt because we like chugged it all retarded. This is gonna fall.
Hey, I have it. Maybe.
Maybe.
Let me.
Okay. Okay. And I'm like, what are you doing? I'm like the one talking here. Freaking. I want to do some challenges tonight. I do.
Me too.
So I'm just guessing that we're gonna be posting a few videos. Oh my god, the bed! Ah! Okay. You always like my mustache? I'm gone now. Look at my mustache. Stop it.
You're funny.
There.
It's all in my face.
Oh. What? Unicorn comes? Alright, should we just like not post this?
Oh no. Maybe we should watch it first.
Just cancel.
Cancel? Oh, why? Hey, I've heard this song before!
Never mind,
Not the one playing on your
Everyone.
I think so. No, I'm thinking of. Wait.
Ew, I got it on my nose. Why? Why?
What if there's a candy bar like that?
I would eat it. Why?
Hey, we're supposed to be saving you. I'll save mine. Fine. Let me turn it after. Yes, this is the song I was thinking of. You know Hagen? Hagen? Probably not. Okay. Well, first time I heard this song was with Hagen.
Whoa!
Yeah,
I can't do this. I didn't do that. I'm sorry. Mama, you douche canoe! Alright, so. I really want to just. Oh!
Lick my face.
Yeah!
My eyes are so weird. Focus.
Ah!
You go, girl.
You go, girl.
That's like you're the one in the house. You go, girl.
You go, girl. You know what's really fun? Whining about pointless things.
What's the P have to be over here? So far from the Q. Why does the Q have to be so far? Okay, no, Q and U are always supposed to be.
Have you ever noticed right here it says queer?
Yeah, haven't like word. Well, how I spell word.
It spells queer. Queer. Well, that's Qwer. It's not really how you spell queer, I'm guessing, but it still spells queer. Why the hell is C right next to V?
Why can't it just go in ABC order?
That would be 20 times easier. Then you just be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. You can type without looking. But no, some idiot thinks they have to be dyslexic and like put them on the wrong way and be like, ooh.
Okay. B, baby.
Yeah, so major blackout right there.
No.
Lol. Lol, let's stop. Do you know that's all you have to do? LOL. Wait. LOLIPOP. You can spell lollipop without looking, like playing one of those little games where we had to use A, S, D, and W to like move the people, and it's like, really, why can't we just use the stupid keys right here that have the arrows on them?
Yeah.
I saw that on my face.
And look.
Why?
Right there.
JKL. See? It's like A, S, D, F, then there's G and H, JKL. But JKL is in order. But everything else has to be like retarded.
I know. Oh yeah, and it'd help us learn our ABCs backwards if we just. Ew.
Don't rub that on me. So. Okay, well, I think we're done. We're gonna do just some challenges later. We're gonna post something else. Peace.